Hi, Malcolm the Magnificent here. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the 12 months of the year. Let's get started. The first month is January. January. The second month is February. February. The third month is March. March. The fourth month is April. April. The fifth month is May. May. The sixth month is June. June. The seventh month is July. July. The eighth month is August. August. The ninth month is September. September. The 10th month is October. October. The 11th month is November. November. And last but not least, the 12th month of the year is December. December. And those are the 12 months of the year. Hey guys, Malcolm here. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and share. That would be magnificent. Purple. Red. White. Yellow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.